plastic, our planet, our problem. The impact of single-use plastic affects all of us everywhere. It's a global problem with millions of polluters. Annual consumption of plastic bottles around the world is set to top 500 billion by 2021. Way too many of us follow plastic. And while this is a global problem, it is something that affects all of us everywhere, including all students across Grŵp Llanrhichio campuses in North Wales. So what do we do?
How can we do anything that will actually make a difference to such a huge issue?
I want to know more about what happens to plastic after I chuck it away.
Where do plastics even come from?
Let me tell you about it. Plastics originate in oil refineries, and 99% of the chemicals used to make plastics come from fossil fuels. Oil and gas molecules are chemically bonded together to make monomers. They are then bonded together into long polymer chains, like PET, polyethylene tetraphthalate, to make plastic in the form of millions of pellets or nurdles. They are then shipped to factories, melted down into molds and used to form all sorts of bottles and packaging. The packaging is then transported to factories and filled with food, drinks, shampoo, soap, cleaning products and cosmetics. They are then wrapped, shipped, consumed and dumped.
So what happens next? The bottle is transported to landfill.
The huge dump expands every day with all the things we put into the general waste.
As plastics sit there being compressed between layers of other rubbish, rainwater washes over it and absorbs the water-soluble compounds that it contains. Some of those are highly toxic. Together, they make a harmful stew called leachate, which can move into groundwater, soil and streams, poisoning ecosystems and harming wildlife.
These chemicals can also be absorbed by the body, and microplastics are in our food chain. The average person eats more than 70,000 microplastics a year.
Chemicals that leach out of plastic and into our bodies cause a variety of health issues, inducing cancer, immune system suppression, reproductive issues, problems of childhood development, and hormone alterations, to name just a few.
It can take one bottle an agonising 1,000 years to decompose. We produce around 335 million tonnes of plastic each year, which is around the same weight as all human beings combined.
Where else do our plastics end up?
Well, we dump 8 million tonnes of plastic into the sea each year.
Around 5,000 items of marine plastic pollution have been found per mile of beach in the UK. Plastic pollution can now be found on every beach in the world. After months at sea, eventually all of the floating plastics collect together in the vortex. Here, the ocean's currents trap millions of pieces of plastic that has been thrown away. These areas turn the water into a cloudy plastic soup. Between 5 million and 13 million tonnes of plastic leaks into the world's oceans each year. This plastic is eaten by seabirds, fish and other organisms. This then makes them feel full when they are not, and so they actually starve to death. 100,000 marine mammals and turtles and 1 million seabirds are killed by marine plastic pollution annually. This plastic is then passed up through the food chain. For example, a shrimp will feed off the plastic. The cod will consume the shrimp with plastic, and then cod is eaten by us. Most plastics don't biodegrade, which means they will just keep on breaking down into smaller and smaller pieces called microplastics, which will just continually remain in the sea all over the world, getting in our food chain in other ways. By 2050, the ocean will contain more plastic by weight than fish, according to research by the Ellen MacArthur Foundation.
Bottle 3 has a different journey. It is made from plastic that can be recycled. It is taken to a recycling plant, where it and his companions are squeezed flat and compressed into a block. The blocks are shredded into tiny pieces, which are washed and melted. So they become the raw materials that can be used again and again. Making the simple decision of buying recyclable, this item can now be turned into lots of other things. What else can we do?
You can make a bigger impact by buying reusable water bottles.
Being aware of the recycling symbols, knowing what you can recycle in your area, getting bags for life,
Recycle your clothing.
reducing the amount of packaging you buy. Don't smoke, cigarette butts are made from plastic. Clothes that are made of polyester release microplastics every time they are washed. Dare to repair. Fix it instead of throwing away.
Share with others.
What are we doing? At Grŵp Llanrich every year, we recycle approximately 611 tonnes of rubbish, the equivalent weight of 90 adult African elephants. We recycle approximately 12 tonnes of plastic bottles and 38 tonnes of paper every year. What else can we do? With your help, Grŵp Llanrich have been trying to reduce our usage of plastic, particularly in the refectories, and getting rid of the polystyrene trays to cardboard. We are also looking at a good alternative to plastic cutlery. More water fountains are being installed so that students can use their own reusable water bottles, or the bottles that the Students' Union distribute in freshers' fairs and learner conferences. So please do your bit. Unfollow Plastic and help us spread the word.